People in organizations want results. They want change that lasts. But when pressure from disruption or uncertainty arrives, most keep reaching for the same response. And that reveals a pattern in how we respond to pressure when it arrives. The T.H.R.E.A.D system is the work of organizational and talent development practitioner and creator, Dr. Leonie H. Mattison. 6 practices that illuminate the pattern, and 4 movements that help you stop repeating and start transforming. Let's explore the 6 practices of the T.H.R.E.A.D system together. 1. Think deeply. Before we react to the loudest symptom, we pause. We look inward to examine what is really happening beneath the surface. Transformation begins when the pattern becomes visible. 2. Harvest wisdom. Every person, every team, every organization already carries wisdom, from lived experience and hard-won success. Before we design the future, we recover what the past has already taught us. 3. Release patterns. Some patterns once protected us, but now can limit what can emerge. Maybe for you, it's a behavior, a belief, a habit, or a system that keeps producing the same result. We cannot reweave the future while carrying every thread from the past. 4. Enlist allies. Transformation is never a solo act. It requires aligned people, shared language, relational trust, and strategic support. Who must be brought into the work? Whose wisdom is needed? Whose proximity, authority, or care will make change sustainable? No future is woven alone. 5. Adopt change. Insight becomes transformation only when it changes how we live, lead, decide, and operate. This is where intention becomes practice. We choose the next aligned action, adjust, and commit to a different pattern. Change becomes real when it is embodied and sustained. 6. Design wholeness. The goal is life with greater alignment and clarity. A team with stronger trust, an organization with better design, and a community with the capacity to move forward together. Wholeness is what becomes possible when the pattern has been seen, the story has shifted, and the future has been intentionally woven. The T.H.R.E.A.D system, your pathway for intentional transformation in life, leadership, organizations, and communities. See the pattern. Shift the story. Weave the future.